Every healthy and balanced diet must include protein. There are certain nutrients everyone needs to stay as healthy as possible, among them protein. Are you getting all you need? There are too many people who never get the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients they need because they're just too busy to eat a proper meal. Fast food is easy, but often sadly lacking in the basics a body needs to work at its best. You might be someone who has to skip breakfast because there's no time to eat in the morning, but that doesn't mean you don't need a healthy balanced diet. If you love your fast food, you don't have to give it up completely. You can eat any food you want, as long as you eat it in sensible portions. It's even possible to eat these foods and lose weight with just a few changes. Instead of a cheeseburger and fries, try a cheeseburger and a salad. Fast food restaurants are adding health-conscious choices to their menus in increasing numbers, so it shouldn't be difficult to find delicious low-calorie alternatives to go with your favorite old standards. A few simple changes can cut out a lot of bad fats and carbohydrates, not to mention a lot of calories. Fast food is fine, but remember it has to be sensible, no more than once every 1 or 2 weeks. Living entirely on fast food is never good, no matter how many salad substitutions you make. Are you getting enough protein? All foods have one or more of the 3 macronutrients that all of us need to survive: fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Now, many people would say that carbohydrates and fats should be avoided altogether, but they are necessary for life. They just have to be the right kinds of carbohydrates and fats, in the right amounts. Protein is also necessary. Organizations like the American Diabetes Association and the American Heart Association recommend that protein make up 35% of the average adult daily calories. Half of these calories should be fat, with the remaining 15% going to fats. Too much of a good thing can include protein. Everyone needs protein, but eating too much can have poor effect on the body. Excess protein can cause serious health problems, like gallstones and kidney stones. Too much protein and not enough exercise will cause stress to all the systems your body needs to function. Protein can also cause water loss and dehydration, which itself leads to a great many problems, particularly heart and kidney stress. Both muscle loss and bone calcium loss can be caused by excess protein. We all need to have a good amount of protein in our diets, but there can be such a thing as overdoing it. Protein from a daily diet: it's entirely possible to get all the protein your body requires just from what you eat every day, if you stick to a balanced diet. All kinds of great foods contain protein, and most of them are foods you would eat anyway, diet or not. Proteins that come from animals are complete proteins, containing all 8 of the essential amino acids and all 14 of the non-essential amino acids. These animal proteins include meat, like lean red meat, fish, and white meat poultry, but also sources like eggs, cheese, milk, and yogurt. Proteins from vegetables are incomplete, so they must be eaten in combination with other protein-rich foods to be completely effective. There is only one plant-based protein that is complete: soy. How to get protein when diet isn't enough? For those who are unable to get enough protein through the food they eat, there are always protein supplements. These supplements do not only contain protein but also a number of other nutrients that are sometimes difficult to get when you just don't have the chance to eat properly. Protein supplements are made from natural sources, like whey and casein, which are byproducts of the cheese-making process, or soy, egg, and rice. Rice is a good choice for many because it is hypoallergenic, unlike egg, and does not trigger lactose intolerance, unlike whey or casein. It is also easy to digest, which makes it a good first choice for anyone who is unused to protein supplements. Protein supplements come in many forms. One of the most popular is protein bars, good for snacks between meals. Another popular choice is liquid protein, which comes in pre-made shakes and smoothies that can be carried with you when you need a quick boost or a meal replacement. Protein powders have the advantage of versatility. Unflavored protein powder can be added to any number of meals for extra protein without changing the recipe at all, or flavored protein powders can be used to make shakes and smoothies of your own. These shakes and smoothies often come in favorite flavors like chocolate, vanilla, berry, and fruit punch. People who need a quick boost of protein favor a liquid protein shot, like ProfectR, made by Protica. ProfectR has 25 grams of protein in a single 3-ounce serving and is only 100 calories. Not only does it have protein, but it also has all the vitamin C your body needs for the day, along with half the B-complex vitamins. Since ProfectR has no fats or carbohydrates, it's great for anyone trying to lose weight, but it doesn't taste like diet food. It comes in a number of enticing flavors, like blue raspberry, grapefruit mango, and cool melon splash. Any major change to your diet, like adding protein supplements, should only occur after consulting a physician. Everyone has different needs, so it's best to consult a professional before making these decisions. A healthy diet doesn't have to mean no tasty food again. With the help of healthy food that is still delicious and protein supplements, you'll never have to worry about a lack of nutrition in your diet. You can remain healthy and strong and still enjoy eating, no matter what your dietary needs or how busy your day-to-day life may be.